These are the black and white monkeys. They're so cute. This is the Siberian tigers. This is a cute type of monkey. This is the striped lemurs. This is a female elephant seal. These are penguins, and they live in groups, so they have a happy life. In the water, they live in water and land. This is the lynx, and it's sleeping. This is the snow leopard who lives in the Arctic. This is the California sea lion and lives underwater. This is the donkey that I saw in the zoo, and I'm petting it. And this is the red panda. It's so pretty, beautiful, and cute. My mom wishes to keep one in his bed. This is the lions, another, and another. Here's where the baby koi are. Here is where the two-bumped camel is. And here are where the zebras are. Here is a male ostrich. And one over there. Here are the wild boars. And here are some female deer. So, now let's see the white lion who's sleeping. And now there's one zebra who is hiding. This is a smaller bear who's smaller than the brown bear.